How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Next, go to the menu bar from your top right. After that, you will see an option of archive over here. Simply go to archive. Wait for your archives to load, and then you will have to manually delete your archive one by one. So when you see all the stories that you have already posted in your archive, all you have to do is tap on the three dot and then you will get an option of delete. Simply tap on it and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.